Hello guys, today we are going to use Phet Virtual Lab to build the atom. In Google search write Phet chemistry simulation, then choose the last activity build an atom. Look at this picture, it is the periodic table, the table where the scientists arranged elements according to their atomic number. Please get a pen and a paper, then copy the first 10 symbols of elements and their atomic numbers. We are going to build the atoms of these 10 elements. To build your own atom, each time add one proton, one neutron, and one electron, then find out the element. Thank you all, enjoy playing, goodbye, see you next workshop.